Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So first of all, let's open the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and select users and accounts. And now let's select the account that you are using currently. Here you have to select two dots icon and click on sync now. Give it a second. And that's all. As you can see, all the components are synchronized with our device. So that's all. This is how you enable Google Backup on your OPPO A52. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.